In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access OneDrive on the web, a full 2025 guide. OneDrive is an incredibly useful tool for storing and accessing your files from virtually anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. Whether you're working from home, traveling, or just prefer managing your files online, knowing how to access OneDrive can make your life much easier. Let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox, whichever one you normally use on your device. With your browser open, navigate to the URL bar located at the top of your browser window and type in https://onedrivelive.com. Press enter, and this should bring you directly to the OneDrive web page. Once you've reached the OneDrive homepage, the next step is signing in with your Microsoft account credentials. This will involve entering your email and password associated with your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you'll need to create one to access OneDrive. After signing in successfully, you'll be greeted by your personal OneDrive space. Here, you will see all your files and folders neatly arranged, ready for you to access, organize, and manage as needed. OneDrive on the web is incredibly versatile. One of its most significant advantages is that it works on any device as long as you have an internet connection. This means you can access your files from your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or even someone else's device if necessary. It's the perfect solution for those who frequently move between different computers or devices. However, it's essential to keep in mind that as with many cloud-based services, there are some limitations. For instance, while you can view and manage your files from anywhere, offline access is limited. This means if you find yourself without internet connectivity, you won't be able to access your files until you reconnect. Additionally, if you're dealing with very large files, you may experience slower load and upload times compared to accessing files stored directly on your device. In summary, accessing OneDrive on the web is simple and extremely practical for modern file management. By just opening a web browser, entering a URL, and signing in, you've got the power to reach your files wherever you are. Remember to weigh the pros and cons. While the flexibility OneDrive offers with online access is remarkable, it does have its limits regarding offline availability and speed with large files. Embracing these tools will undoubtedly enhance your productivity and streamline your digital file management. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're ready to make the most of OneDrive on the web. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more tech tips.